Hi everyone, it's Kezia over here from Kezia's Corner and welcome to my channel. My name is Kezia and this is a space where I share all my love for makeup, beauty and all that jazz. Today's video is going to be all about the SENA Nails nail wraps. I basically have some to try out. I'm going to do one with you guys. I've already done one on Instagram, so I hope to have perfected the way. I'm going to share this with you now. So this is how I apply my nail wraps from SENA Nail. I also have a discount link down below. More information is in the description box. Let's just go ahead and get started and maybe we can do our nails together. So let's go. Okay, so I've been loving curling my hair. I curled my hair last time for the previous video and I've done it again. And to be honest, I haven't put on any hairspray or anything, so I'm just going to leave it stay naturally and then it falls naturally, but I don't care. Curls are so pretty. Anyways, okay, so I have a bunch of nail wraps over here and I'm going to be choosing one and I'm going to be applying it with you guys. So if you didn't know, SENA Nail is a nail brand company that ships worldwide, has a variety of nails, which are press-on nails, nail wraps, and even toenail wraps. Yes, like these. That is awesome. We have toenail wraps as well. But currently my toes have like the gel nails. So once those go, I will definitely be applying my toenail wraps. I don't know if I feel comfortable filming a video with toes, but anyways, today is going to be about the nail wraps. So I've actually tried on my Instagram and I shared with you one of them on a reel and then one on a post where I applied my nail wraps from SENA Nail, and I actually really love the concept of it. Today, I don't know what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to choose, the purple one's calling my name as well. I think the green one. I think I'm going to choose this one because this is so pretty. So this is the one I'm going to be applying today, but they have such a variety of nail wraps. They're also at an affordable price as well, and they're handmade, which is much more beautiful, and you can do them from the comfort of your own home, so you don't have to stay going to a nail salon, which I quite find nice. I'm going to be applying these in each of your nail wrap sets. You will get like this. So you will get a cuticle file and then a nail file as well. So yeah, just grab a cup of coffee or grab your own nail stuff. Who was going to damage my necklace? Oh, why is the necklace like that? Grab your nail stuff and let's just do our nails together. First thing is obviously you rip the thing open and you have your nail kit. Oh my god, this is so cute! The first thing I want to do is definitely going to grab open my packet with the nail file and cuticle thing stick, and we're going to basically take care of that. Okay, so I've adjusted my camera so we can work in some way. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take this wee cuticle thing and I'm going to press in my cuticles. This is something that I was not always doing, and apparently it basically actually helps nail wraps last longer. My nails also are kind of growing, which is a very good sign. So now my cuticles are pushed in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over my nails and just give them a nice filing where I see that I need. What I love is that they actually provide you with all these things. All right, Issa, the exciting thing. So we have this beautiful nail wrap set. The quality of these nail wraps is stunning. And you have variety of different sizes as well, which is absolutely amazing. So first thing is you're going to rip the plastic off. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select which nail is going to be for what. It seems like that they kind of alternate, so they're not going to be the same. I really want to use this one for my thumb. Let's use this one. So what you do is you just take it off and then literally you just stick it on like that. Okay, now I like then bending it make sure you stick it from the sides. Okay, so that is how it's going to be. Issa. I've seen different ways of how these are applied, but I think the way I like the most is you literally file it according to your nail. And then supposedly, when I did it last time, it just, wait, okay, it hasn't come off yet, so I'll just have to file it a bit more, I guess. Okay. Yes, you see how it came off? Huh? Kezia finds you the best ways? Okay, so I have this piece left, so I'll just file that into place. Ta-da! Just comes off. Yeah, so you have to go over your sides because that usually doesn't come off. But yeah, so you have your first nail applied. Cool, no? Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing now on the rest of my nails. So now I'm just going to continue by applying all my nails. The glitter one I'm noticing is a bit thicker. So I think when you file it, you kind of have to take your time when filing it. And when you file, I'm finding that when you go over it all, it would be easier then. These are the nails applied and oh, look how cute they are. Honestly, like so cute. And I used to have the patience back in the day to do some nail art. I remember when I was in sixth form, I was really obsessed, and there was that like YouTube page, Cute Polish I think her name was, and I used to recreate her designs. And actually I had created a YouTube channel back in the day, and I had actually started by doing nail designs. That's how I actually started. I haven't thought about that in a long time. So I got off it, and yeah, here we are. But I really like it. I mean, the quality of them, like I'm putting you as close as can be. I mean, maybe over here I chose a smaller size nail, but for the most part, the rest of them look really good. And I'm very happy with them, honestly. Yeah, I'm really happy with my nails. They're so nice and green. They have so many different, let me find them. Where are they? These are just 5 more that I have, which I cannot wait to try out. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I've been wanting to try these out, but I said I will do a YouTube video dedicated to these nail wraps. But yeah, so that is today's video. It was just a simple video where we did our nails together. I hope that you maybe grabbed your own nail stuff and, you know, did some nail stuff, you know? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I wish to say a big thank you to obviously SENA Nail because they had sent me these products and they wanted to work with me. So I'm really, really happy and very grateful. And yeah, I'm very happy with their nail wraps as well. I love their press-on nails, but I love their nail wraps as well. So I'll leave everything linked down below, a link to their website, a link to a discount link as well. Everything is in the description box. But yeah, I hope you liked today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next week's video. Bye!